Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at my brand new OCD Customs All-Star Challenge #1 commemorative truck featuring Team Fire and Team Ice. Welcome back everyone, and yes, it's finally another video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a new video, and I apologize for that. My brand new semester of college has started, so I have been very busy. I can't even explain how busy really I have been, so YouTube has not been a big priority for me, and I apologize for that, but that's just how it's going to go for right now. But I did have a chance to record this video, so you guys are seeing this hopefully, I believe, on Saturday. So you guys will have this video for however long it takes me to upload another video. So hopefully this one gives you guys some content to watch. And this is another custom video, which you guys seem to like a lot. And this also is a very cool custom video, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one as much as I have enjoyed building this one. So this is basically my All-Star Challenge OCD Customs truck. I wanted to build something very special for this event because, of course, it is the inaugural event of the All-Star Challenge, and it, of course, is mainly featuring Team Fire versus Team Ice. So I decided to make a commemorative truck like the World Finals 20 truck that would be, I know they're not selling it there, but if there were to be a commemorative truck, this is what I kind of imagined it would be like for All-Star Challenge 1. So you can see here, this is the Team Fire and Team Ice split paint job that I kind of came up with myself. Basically, how this came to be, actually, I should say, is a lot of really late night planning. And I originally came up with the concept of the split paint job. So basically, I put a chassis together without the body. It was Fire and Ice, and I was like, okay, well, if I want to do Team Fire versus Team Ice, I could either do them on separate chassis or combine them. And originally, I wanted to do them separately. Actually, in complaint card form, I wanted to do complaint card Fire, complaint card Ice. And then I thought, okay, well, at the time of making this truck, I was actually doing way too many complaint card trucks. So I decided, okay, let's slow it down on the complaint card stuff. I had actually just finished my first ever commemorative truck, which was, of course, the 4th of July. And I'll make a video on this in the future. 4th of July problems, questions, complaint card truck for commemorative OCD Customs. But I will make a video on that, and I was still planning on making complaint card Fire and Ice trucks at the time of making this. Currently, I don't have any plans to do them, but I might in the future. But anyway, I kind of want to step out of the mindset of making complaint card trucks all the time and make something very unique. So I thought, okay, let's scrap the whole complaint card idea and let's make something brand new. Split paint job. I am not the best at Photoshop, but I am learning every single time I make a truck. I'm getting better and better, and this by far is probably my best hands-on Photoshop job that I've ever done. Everything you see here, besides, of course, the MonsterJam logo, All-Star Challenge logo, headlights, and I think basically all of that besides these logos here have been added by myself in Photoshop in my own computer. So basically everything on this graphics you see here on the Team Fire side, we'll start here. All of this flames, all these flame overlays, the mountains in the background, of course, the volcanic mountains, this dark smoke, hazy color, all of that, even the text here was done by me in Photoshop. And you can see here I did add the original I don't know what you call them, the mottos of the Team Fire and Team Ice. These were actually in, I believe, the yearbook, and also definitely at the debuts of these trucks. I saw these at Anaheim, or Team Fire Max D and Team Ice Dalmatian debut at Anaheim, and they said these over, of course, the video that played for the debut of the trucks. So, of course, fire burns in the core of our being, Team Fire, and that's on that side. You can see here, of course, the MonsterJam Fire logo as well on the Fire side. And unfortunately, I have no idea what happened, and it's kind of a shocker to me, but I have a big paint chip right there above the All-Star Challenge logo, which is very unfortunate for this video. But anyway, you guys probably wouldn't have noticed it had I not pointed it out, but there is a unfortunate paint chip in my powder coating right there, which does not happen very often, if at all. So I will probably remake another one of these and maybe give this one away in the future. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. You can see here the All-Star Challenge logo is also, I actually changed the colors in Photoshop to make it match the Team Fire or MonsterJam Fire logo. So you can see there it's dark maroon with the yellow. The original plan was to make it just the regular All-Star Challenge logo, which is blue and yellow, but I thought it looked really weird with all these dark orange tones So I changed it to match the Team Fire, MonsterJam Fire logo. And also it has a red taillight, which will be very useful in the next part of this video. So you can see there's the Team Fire side. And of course you come to the front here where it actually becomes the split paint job. And here it is here. So you can see the headlights, of course the Spin Master emblem, which I use for my custom trucks. If there's ever a grill printing, I also put that if it's a custom concept. And you can see there, I also sized up the MonsterJam.com, split that color as well. Those are on the real trucks, the yellow and maroon, and then of course the dark blue and light blue. Actually, this is one of the more accurate editions of the MonsterJam.com that I've done. You can see how the M and the J are actually bigger than the what we call the Onster and Am part of the logo. You can see how they're kind of taller. And of course, .com is actually shorter than everything else. So I did that in Photoshop. I made it accurate. Instead of making it just one size, I actually went in and made it different sizes like the real trucks. And I believe like the Spin Master printings do for the tailgate. So I'm not sure if they actually do it accurate size, but I definitely wanted to make it accurate. So those are different. I mean, it's a micro detail, but I did point that out because I did change that. I remember the hassle of kind of splitting these up. So, and you can see here, the grill printing does show the split through the middle as well. And onto the hood here, you can see the All-Star Challenge logo in split form. You can see the All-Star maroon and yellow, and then of course the dark blue and light blue. MonsterJam logo in the front part here. And you could faintly see the fire and the icicles from the Team Fire and Team Ice MonsterJam logos. So that's on the hood here. Very small and minor detail. It actually originally said Fire and Ice instead of All-Star Challenge, but I wanted to make the main focus of this truck the All-Star Challenge, so I did remove Fire and Ice and I kept it on the side instead. And also you can see the split continues up to the roof here, which as well as the Team Fire burns in the core of our being, the Choose Your Extreme, I think that was also in the yearbook. It's also at the events posters. So you can see Choose Your Extreme is also one of the mottos. So I added that to the top here with some snow overlays and of course the smoke and the fire overlay on that side. And of course the Team Ice side, you can see here cold calculating determination pushes us beyond the limits. And of course Team Ice with the snow-capped mountains and of course the All-Star Challenge logo in dark blue, light blue, and slightly turquoise. If you guys notice, this is something special I did. You can see the mountains, how they're set up here. And they're actually the same on this side, just in burned form, pretty much like volcanic looking. They're the same mountains. I remember doing this in Photoshop with the volcanic mountains and the fire everywhere. And of course on the ice side, it's very cold, nice, kind of relaxing with the snow-capped mountains and all that, with the blue sky, of course. Very like a peaceful, beautiful scene here. And then of course Team Fire just, you know, really burning there. So those are the two sides. And of course the tailgate here says, who will it be, October 11th through 12th, 2019, Las Vegas, Nevada, MonsterJam.com. And like I said before, the red taillight was important because there's a blue taillight on the Team Ice side instead of red. And the taillights do fit. There's a slight overlay which makes it a little dark there, but on the red side it actually looks pretty good. It does fit up here. It took a while to size these correctly and I finally got it right. And of course it says Commemorative OCD Customs in split form as well. This is powder coated, so it is very shiny. It's not the best powder coat job I've ever done. Slight little imperfections here and there, but for what it is, it actually looks pretty real. But besides that, I mean, it turned out very well, except for that little paint chip there, which is very unfortunate. Anyway, let me know what you guys again think about this truck in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time. This is MonsterJamOCD, signing out.